Yo, what's good, everybody? It's your boy Crypto Wiz here. As if you didn't know, I like to do Bitcoin giveaways. So if you want to participate, you must be an investor in one of my referrals. So please leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells for more updates. I am not a financial advisor, so please only invest what you can afford to lose. Can't afford to lose, you hear me? Okay, so we're gonna talk about Geneisis Mining. I'm hearing that they're offering some mining contracts for Ethereum, but for me, I can't do it because it's only available for existing customers only. So if y'all want to get some Ethereum, go ahead and get some. Because so far, this website is 100% legit. The reason why I haven't bought any because I didn't know how Terahash works. So I'm kind of new to cryptocurrency world. You know, I don't have really anything right now. You know, I'm kind of waiting on the contracts to come out for Bitcoin. But like I said though, if y'all want to do some Ethereum for the existing customers that already got their power, you better go ahead and get it because they're going to be out of stock real fast. But that's all for the update because I'm not really in this program. I'm waiting on their contracts to come, like I said before. You feel me? But anyways, it's your boy Crypto Wiz here. I'll catch y'all in the next new update. Alright, peace.